Alright, I'm going to show you what these antennas going to go through. These cold conditions up here in Pittsburgh. Right now it's about -2. That's without the wind chill. My 80-meter loop. I'll stroke through the trees. It's maintaining. So Mr. Coily. My 5-element Mako. Whew. Well, I'll tell you what, -2 actually isn't so bad. I've been living up here my entire life. What makes it bad is that wind. Whoo! That wind does cut through you. Goodness gracious. Right now I got the leather gloves on, and the time I've been out here, it's starting to cut through. Tell you what, I love winter. This is great. Okay, I gotta get in there. My face is freezing. Starting to ice up. Damn. She's bending. Bend it, don't break. Wow. Alright. Going in. KP 68 a few days before Christmas. Check you later.